Jordan, here we are, 612 days of knowing each other, 358 days of dating, 225 days of being engaged, and now today, October 12th, becoming one to spend the rest of our lives together.
Alyssa, from the moment you entered my life, everything changed in the most beautiful way. I'll never forget the feeling of being nervous for our first date and feeling excited to see you on every date since. You've shown me what it means to be loved in a way that I didn't think was possible.
Look at us now. Look at you shine. We're not coming down. Don't wanna close my eyes. Look at us now. Look at us now.
First of all, I want to congratulate Alyssa and Jordan. Couldn't be much happier for you.
Here we are, we made it. It seems to me that wedding days are usually the happiest days of the bride and the groom because it just signals the end of all the wedding planning.
You two are seriously perfect for each other, from dating to engagement and now to marriage. I can see the love you two share.
I'm so ready. You're beautiful.
Thank you.
Love the dress.
Here.
Hi. Today, standing here with you, I'm so thankful that you're the one for me. You've chosen me, and God has given me the opportunity to choose you as my wife and best friend. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29:11.
Today and every day moving forward, I truly mean I love you more. It doesn't mean I love you more than you love me. It means that I love you more than all the bad days ahead of us. I love you more than any disagreement we will ever have. I love you more than any amount of distance keeping us apart. And I love you more than any challenge we will face.
Look at us now. Look at you shine. We're not coming down. Don't wanna close my eyes. Look at us now.
Dearly beloved, we are gathered here in the sight of God and before His church to witness the union of this man and this woman in holy matrimony.
I, Jordan, take you, Alyssa, to be my wedded wife.
I, Alyssa, take you, Jordan, to be my wedded husband. You simply are the man of my dreams, steadfast in your love towards me every day, patient beyond measure, overflowing with kindness and compassion, and strong in your faith, but also fun, outgoing, adventurous, the biggest Husker fan, and a man of many, many words. Thank you for being you. You're an answer to so many prayers, and I thank God that I get to love you and be loved by you.
I introduce you to Jordan and Alyssa. You may kiss the bride.
You're my wife.
Please help me welcome Jordan and Alyssa Nielsen.
of you for being here. It's been so much fun to meet so many of you that have come from so far.
One of the better traits of Jordan is he's great about putting people around him that are very kind and genuine. And I think Alyssa is evidence of that.
Alyssa, you have a heart of gold, and you've brought so much love and laughter into our lives. You're not just a strong woman, you're a role model for my kids and a best friend for me. Your ability to blend sass with warmth is truly a gift. It has been such a privilege to watch you grow as a person, from a little kid to high school to college to our basement to getting to hike the Appalachian Trail with you and not fall off the mountain. You continue to show that you have the ability to do great things, and I know your marriage to Jordan will be one of those things.